Lifestyle changes first, then diet for effective health management. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. Due to the enormous amount of information about diet ubiquitous on the internet, people who yearn to lead healthy lives end up being confused as to which diet will help them achieve their goals, mostly weight management. The pendulum of which diet works keeps swinging back and forth. People try adapting to different diets, but only a few are lucky to find one that helps them to successfully manage their health. Diet debate almost dying. The diet debate is almost extinct. Every now and then, people trying to reduce weight through dieting confess cheating on their diets. The major reason behind failing to keep up with a diet plan is that the plan is not parallel to the person's lifestyle. Often, lifestyle is the best ally when it comes to eating and living healthy. A diet that goes well with your lifestyle is easy to maintain. The realization that lifestyle comes before diet is triggered by the knowledge that the body is not a machine that efficiently produces output according to the input. Body systems are integrated in such a way that improvement of the whole depends on how well all the systems are coordinated. For example, a person desiring to reduce weight may take healthy food always but fail to handle emotional distress. According to research, stress leads to weight gain in some people. Having a lifestyle that supports the well-being of the entire body is the only way to achieve healthy living. Researchers suggest that lifestyle comes before diet. World-renowned researchers like Bradley Appelhans of the Rush University Medical Center and Sherry Pagotto of the University of Massachusetts Medical have suggested an end to the diet debates that are so frequent in weight management circles. In their journals, they write that different diets are equally good as they are bad in helping one lose weight. They support their case that lifestyle changes can collectively handle diet and other aspects of healthy living. Nutritionists' case studies. In support of the case of lifestyle over diet, many nutritionists have indicated instances when some of their clients have tried different diets but fallen over the wagon. The result of such failure is discouragement and frustration. Pro-lifestyle nutritionists are more concerned with helping a client develop a plan that they can follow while they make new lifestyles changes. They note that the greatest problem associated with weight and health management is adherence. Effective lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes such as exercise, positive thinking, keeping food records, and focusing on progress rather than perfection are the ultimate solution to health management. If one is able to make and enhance these lifestyle changes, it becomes very easy to follow diet plans that help them to achieve the overall objective of health management.